I'm John. I want to welcome you to Yearbook Life. Now that you're all signed up, you're probably wondering what happens next. First, you can expect to get an email titled, "Welcome to Pictavo," from hello@pictavo.com any day. That email is going to contain the link to your Pictavo design software account. Enter your email address and a password of your choice to log in and get started. You'll also receive a design information kit in the mail in the next couple of weeks, so be on the lookout for that as well. When in the software, check out the help videos and play around a bit. Remember, anything that you do can be undone. What you're going to want to do as soon as possible is schedule a training with one of our software specialists. To do so, you just have to sign up on our training calendar. You'll see the link for that below. You should also get your yearbook and yearbook ad sale started as soon as possible. The sooner you start selling, the less you'll have to do at the end, and the better idea of how many books you're going to need to order. We can help you set up your online storefront through our Storefront sign-up form, also linked below, or talk with one of our trainers about it. Remember, 3 things: get logged in, get trained, get selling. We'll be back in touch with more tips and guidance soon. And you can always email or call us. That information is below as well. Thank you so much for partnering with us on this very important project.